killing you, huh? Certain noises.
Yeah, that
Crackling
noise
noise.
did.
I was just gonna sit there and go around and around and around, I guess. Ooh.
Oh,
The
little guy.
exercise is what they wanted, huh?
Yeah, this is the size that they wanted.
Oh.
Oh, you got
They made it sound like you wanted a 17-inch.
7 setup instructions and
Quite a
warranty.
power dealer.
Yeah, and the power supply. We'll move the box off to the side. Let's see. So it's got the small plug and a 3-pin. So it has a ground. That's interesting.
So rather than being USB-C, it's just a small round one.
Standardized. Well, standardized for the past couple of years.
For
HP.
Is the HP one different than the Dell's?
Yeah. They'll fit, but they complain.
Don't do the right thing.
Yeah. Well, let me rephrase that. The HPs will fit in the Dells. The Dells will not fit in the HPs. Because the Dells are too short. Yeah. Kind of annoying, but... No. That's a weird plastic thing. That might not work.
Just sitting there, going across.
Let's see here. It's got a thumbprint reader for the login. It's pretty neat. Keyboard. This is one of those keyboards that I'm not a big fan of because you can't really read the keys.
Oh yeah.
You have to like get it in the light perfectly to be able to read it.
Use this name to sign in.
It's got. And then it's got a USB.
For a name to sign into the device.
Look at this. It's kind of weird.
Yeah.
You have to push this down to get a USB in there.
I have one of those too.
That's kind of weird.
Doing that.
It's funny.
When they make them this thin.
So the HP Envy x360.
Okay. So now, since it can't get to the internet, it wants a name to get into it.
Oh, it's got light up though.
Oh yeah.
So just
user 1?
Yeah, user 1. User.
Password? Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay. Well, I did it. I just had to go back and then wanted a name.
Hi there. I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
And you usually uncheck all these?
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
I don't do location or
Use your
find my
voice
device.
or the keyboard along the way, and if
off.
you'd like me
I
to
keep
stay
them
quiet,
on.
just select the little microphone icon towards the
Diagnostic
bottom of your
data.
screen. If you need an
Turn
assistive
that
screen
off.
reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to
Turn
turn on
that
narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
And an advertising ID.
So this one's
Your
Windows
region
10.
is set to the United
off.
States. Is that right?
Tailored experiences.
You can turn that off.
And then advertising ID.
Your
Turn that
keyboard
off.
is set. Do you also type with another keyboard layer? Now let's
Okay.
get you connected to an... Just so you
Support
know,
and protection.
next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need
Don't
to
have put any of that.
type what you want to name your
I'm
account.
just here with
Okay, now type a...
support and protection.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them, and select Accept when you're ready. Hey, look, that's me. Your device manufacturer would like your contact info.
This isn't bad.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
I like how this has a light up keyboard. Same with that one.
Mm-hmm.
And at least the screen's not broken.
Which one was broken?
No, I'm just saying.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes you worry about that when you order stuff on
So,
the internet.
should I turn it on? Back on now? Alpha?
Yeah.
If I can figure out what I did. There it is. Here goes.
Alright. Comes with 76%. What's the battery usage like? Let me unplug it. Well, let's get some info on this bad boy. Okay, so 13BD0XXX, 11th generation i5, 8 gigs of RAM, 64-bit operating system, and it comes with 20H2. So actually, it's pretty up to date. Overall, this computer's not bad for what it is.